Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to insert the page number in Adobe InDesign. So first, open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. So basically, to insert your page number, we will need to create a text box. So here you need to choose where you want to put your page number and go for any place. For example, let's just choose this one, and you can choose the properties of your text, have it like that, choose the font, and choose any character option that you want, also the paragraphing, like the alignment, and etc etc. Basically, after you choose your style or your character style, you will need to go to type, and here down we will go and search for insert special characters. Now we are going to markers, and here you will need to click on current page number or next page number, whatever you want, but still it will just give you the page numbers. Then you click here. I am in the master page, that's why it gives me A. I can just go, let's just delete this, and if I go to the first page and I do the exact same ways, I will have my page number here. Let's just go back a little bit. We go type, insert special characters, markers, current page number, and we should find the one. As you can see, now we have the first page. So you can do this to all the pages that you want, and you can also add the paragraphing or formatting to your character and do all the things that you want. Or to have sometimes, and to save you sometimes, you can go to the A master page or the master page that are related to your pages, and do the same, and it will have applied all the pages will have the number page. So basically, if I added the number page and I added the current number page to the master page, I will have the first one, the second one, the third one, and all the pages that are a master applied will have and contain the same style number page on the pages. So basically, this is how you can insert number page in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.